For users seeking unparalleled freedom in terms of customization, software choices, and expansive device utilization, Android phones stand out as the epitome of flexibility. However, in the realm of selecting the finest Android device, the battle often comes down to two titans: the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. While both boast stellar hardware, the critical question arises: does Google's software expertise give it an edge over Samsung's formidable internal capabilities? Let's dive into the details to discern which one is the winner in this clash of Android titans. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Android phones bring forth an unparalleled array of design choices, standing in the stark contrast to other devices that seem to be stuck in the doldrums of stagnation. The Pixel 8 Pro and Galaxy S23 Ultra, both visually striking, showcase distinctive aesthetics. Samsung opts for an almost industrial design, a compelling counterpoint to the Pixel 8 Pro's softer contours and modern appearance. Now, despite the S23 Ultra's minimalist style, its camera array raises eyebrows. Unlike the Pixel's standout feature, a unique and recognizable camera bar which contributes to an overall captivating identity. Examining the functional aspect of design, Samsung S23 Ultra boasts an armor aluminum chassis and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering robust protection against scratches, drops, and shocks. It further flaunts an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. On the other hand, the Pixel 8 Pro, while not a delicate masterpiece, holds its ground with its Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection and a sturdy aluminum frame. Samsung's resilience shines through, pushing the boundaries of durability, almost verging on the rugged category. Yet, in this durability showdown, Samsung overlooks a small and critical detail: the exposed camera lenses. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera bar serves not only as a trendy Geordie LaForge visor, but also functions as a shield for its lenses. This thoughtful design nuance provides users with an added layer of comfort when contemplating a case-free existence. Samsung undeniably takes the lead when it comes to smartphone displays, setting a high standard in the market. However, is this a solo performance, or does the Pixel 8 Pro manage to hold its own against Samsung's dominance in this category? Samsung claims a slight victory with a 6.8-inch display compared to the Pixel 8 Pro's 6.7 inches. Yet, as many wise individuals might argue, size is not the sole determinant of quality. Unfortunately for the Pixel, Samsung continues to outpace in resolution and pixel density, offering 1440 by 3088 pixels and 500 ppi canvas compared to Pixel 8 Pro's 1344 by 2992 pixels and 489 ppi playground. Both the Ultra and Pixel 8 Pro boast an always-on display with dynamic 1 to 120Hz refresh rates. However, Samsung's AMOLED 2x display gains another point over the Pixel 8 Pro's Super Actua LTPO OLED panel, showcasing a remarkable HDR10+ contrast ratio compared to Google's HDR contrast offering. But wait, the Pixel 8 Pro stages a comeback in the brightness department. According to Google's claims, the Pixel 8 Pro boasts an impressive peak brightness of 2400 nits, eclipsing the S23 Ultra 1750 nits peak brightness. While Samsung secures a victory, it's evident that the Pixel 8 Pro puts up a commendable fight, proving that the battle of displays is not entirely a one-sided affair. Let's talk about performance and features. So, you don't have to be an expert in ChatGPT or DALL-E to marvel at the array of AI services and features that Google has packed into the Pixel 8 Pro this year. Thanks to the new Tensor G3 chipset, a powerhouse capable of handling both cloud-based and onboard AI functions, the Pixel 8 allows you to effortlessly create, summarize, and process information with just a few taps. For instance, the upgraded Google Assistant, let's call it Google Assistant 2.0, excels in summarizing text, transcribing in foreign languages, and providing recommendations for further reading. The AI prowess extends beyond just text-related functions. Google Assistant 2.0 showcases improved capabilities in detecting spam, eliminating background noise from your microphone input, and delivering context-based quick responses when screening calls. The camera system also benefits from these AI smarts. However, the real question is, how does the Pixel 8 Pro's performance stack up against the Galaxy S23 Ultra armed with its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor? Geekbench 6 results paint a clear picture in terms of raw performance numbers. While the Pixel 8 Pro posts commendable scores for single-core and multi-core performance at 1760 and 4442 respectively, the S23 Ultra Snapdragon processor emerges as the victor with scores of 1880 for single-core and 4982 for multi-core performance. In the world of smartphone photography, each device boasts its secret weapon. Samsung brandishes the S24 Ultra's formidable 200-megapixel primary sensor, when Google wields the formidable Pixel software, which is a wizard behind every captured moment. Google's software magic performs an enchanting act, effectively bridging the megapixel gap. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera experience unfolds like a magical journey, featuring an impressive array of software features such as Video Boost, Night Sight, Real Tone, Magic Editor, and Pro Controls, bringing DSLR-like capabilities to your fingertips. While Samsung hardware stands as a powerhouse in itself, Google's well-rounded camera setup and exceptional software seem to level the playing field, but feel free to disagree. It kinda sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Yet, when you line up the Pixel 8 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Pixel not only comes at a more affordable price, saving you a solid $200, but it also boasts a new 7-year software update policy, promising a more extended and well-supported lifespan for your device. In short, while it might not provide the thrill of a decisive victory or a nail-biting photo finish, there's a silver lining for users caught in the dilemma. Whether you lean toward the Google Pixel 8 Pro or sway toward the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, rest assured that either choice represents an investment in a top-notch product that excels across various aspects. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.